Ajit, both of you, if you could answer this. The reason behind the exclusion of Shreyas Iyer and Yashasvi Jaiswal, who have done well in white ball cricket previously, and is Shubman Gill's vice captaincy in this format and the test captaincy, does it point to the day when we'll see him captain in all three formats for India? I mean, eventually, later in the...
I mean, I can discuss with you right now T20 cricket and Test cricket is already leading. And like Surya mentioned, he was vice captain the last time he played T20 cricket for India. So we obviously see some leadership qualities in him, and and his form in England was what we were hoping for. He obviously exceeded all our expectations with the kind of form that he showed with his bat. So, which is a great sign when there's so much pressure on you as a captain. So, like I said, I can only talk about T20 cricket right now and Test cricket. With regards to Yashasvi, I mean, it's just unfortunate again. There's Abhishek Sharma, what he's done over the last few months or a year or so that he's been with the team, plus that he can bowl a little bit, gives us an option if required by the captain. One of these guys was always going to miss out. It's just unfortunate that Yashasvi might have to wait for his chance. With regards to Shreyas, I mean, you'll have to tell me who he can replace here. Again, no fault of his, nor is it ours. It's just that you can pick 15, and at the moment he'll have to wait for his chance.